This project started with an older wood window that had reached the end of its useful life. Our Amarillo Solar Shade installation team carefully removed the old sashes and prepared the existing opening for a new Infinity by Marvin window. The replacement window is built with durable fiberglass, giving the homeowner the strength and long-term performance of a modern window while maintaining a clean, traditional look that fits the home. The result is a beautiful new Infinity by Marvin Fiberglass window, professionally installed by Amarillo Solar Shade.